This is Extreme Portable SSD by Sandisk. Small size but 4 terabyte is total storage. Here is USB-C cable. Just connect with your laptop and here you go. It is detected. Double click and install the Sandisk security utility. Once it is installed, open the software, Sandisk utility, and here you can secure it with your password. Alright, now the disk is protected. We'll be simply copying the data to see the performance of this. Suppose this is ZenBook backup, and I'll be adding the files here. There are some videos that I want to take the backup of, so I'll be creating videos, and here I'll just copy this and paste it over here. You can see here 580 Mbps is the speed. So it just copied entire data, 23 GB of data in just few seconds. You can see here 27.5 GB, and here if I see the total storage space which is available to me right now, out of 4 TB only 27 GB is written.